Over the last few months, I have been thinking about this topic a lot because I myself work in the software industry, and everywhere you look right now, people are talking about AI. In my team, also, I see some people are excited and some people are scared. And honestly, many developers are silently thinking what happens to our jobs in the next few years, especially when every few weeks we hear about layoffs. While AI tools become more powerful every single month, today AI can write code, debug issues, generate APIs, write SQL queries, create front end UI, and even build small applications. So, naturally, people start asking, will AI replace software engineers? And honestly, this is not a simple yes or no question. So, in this video, I am going to discuss my views honestly with you. No hype, no fear mongering, no fake motivation, just the reality from an engineer's perspective. Let's first understand why this fears feels so real. A few years ago, if you wanted to build something, you had to manually write almost everything. Need an API? Write the controller. Need database mapping? Write the entity. Need boilerplate code? Write it yourself. Need unit test? Again manually. But today, AI can generate all these things in seconds. You type one prompt and suddenly you get controllers, services, SQL queries, documentation, and even test cases. And honestly, sometimes the output is surprisingly good, right? You have also noticed this similar thing, right? So when developers see this happening, the fear becomes understable, right? So you can understand the fear, right? People start thinking, if AI can write code, why would companies need so many engineers? And when layoff happen at the same time, people naturally connect the dots. They think AI is replacing developers. But here's the important thing: writing code is only one small part of software engineering. One of the biggest misunderstandings right now is this: people think software engineering is mainly about typing code, but in real companies, that's only a small piece of the job, right? So, real world engineering is messy, very messy. Imagine this: your payment service suddenly starts failing during peak traffic. Kafka consumers are lagging, database latency increases, downstream systems start timing out. User cannot complete transactions. Now tell me, can AI magically solve all this by itself? Not really, because this problem requires system understanding, architecture knowledge, debugging skills, production experience, and engineering judgment. You need to understand how services communicate, where bottleneck happens, right? How retries work, how distributed systems fail, how scalability impacts performance, and how to make trade-offs. And honestly, these are not easy problems. AI can generate code, but understanding complex systems deeply is still a very human skill. Now, does that mean AI changes nothing? Of course not. AI is changing software engineering, and in some areas very aggressively, especially repetitive work. For example, let's take an example of boilerplate APIs, repetitive CRUD operations, simple UI generation, basic testing, right? Repetitive mappings, standard queries, documentation generation. Earlier developers spent hours doing these things, right? Now AI can do much of it in minutes. So yes, one engineer today can sometimes do the work that previously required multiple engineers. And because of this, companies are becoming more efficiency focused. But here's the key insight: AI is not replacing engineering completely, it is reducing repetitive engineering work. The real shift happening right now is this: developers are moving from pure code writers to problem solvers, system designers, workflow builders, and AI assisted engineers. Earlier, a lot of engineering time went into typing repetitive code. Now, AI accelerates that part, which means engineers can focus more on architecture, business logic, scalability, security, integrations, AI orchestration, and product thinking. Think about calculators. Calculators did not remove mathematicians, they remove repetitive manual calculations. Similarly, AI is removing repetitive coding tasks, but engineers who deeply understand systems will become even more valuable. Now let's talk practically. Who is most at risk? Developers who rely on copy paste coding, shallow understanding, repetitive work, and tutorial based development. Because AI is becoming extremely good at that. But engineers who can design systems, understand architecture, solve production problems, communicate clearly, understand business needs, and adapt quickly will continue to stay valuable. In fact, the combination of software engineering plus AI knowledge is becoming incredibly powerful. While many people only focus on layoffs, they miss the massive opportunities being created. Right now, companies need engineers who understand AI systems, rack pipelines, AI integrations, agentic workflows, vector databases, observability, distributed systems, and backend orchestration. Because AI alone cannot build production grade ecosystems, someone still has to design the architecture, integrate systems, secure APIs, monitor workflows, handle failures, optimize performance, and validate outputs. And honestly, this is exactly where strong backend engineers become extremely valuable. And honestly, even I think about these things sometimes. Technology is moving very fast. And yes, sometimes it can feel overwhelming. But every major technology shift in history created fear first. When cloud computing came, people were scared. When automation came, people were scared. When the internet came, people were scared. But technology also creates new opportunities, and the key is adaptation. The engineers who continue learning, continue building, and understand systems deeply will always stay valuable. So, no, AI is probably not going to suddenly replace all software engineers, but it will change software engineering forever. And the developers who evolve with it will have massive opportunities in the coming years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, do you think AI will replace developers or simply transform the way we work? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.